What happens if one parent wants to change the last name of the child after the divorce? My name is Akiva Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm is a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan, and today we're continuing our video series designed to educate and inform the public, so please subscribe to our channel. You know, this is a great question because oftentimes somebody will get married, they'll take on the other person's married name, and then the first thing they want to do when they divorce is get rid of that name. The problem is the kids have that name too. So do you want to get rid of that name or do you want to keep that name? Well, what happens if one parent decides, nope, I want to change my name back to my maiden name and I want to change the child's name too? Well, you got to understand one thing. You can't just change a name. The court must approve name changes, okay? And the court could very well decide, you know what? It's not in the best interest of the children to change your name because all their classmates have known them as Jones. And now all of a sudden you want to call them McGillicuddy? I don't think so. The court may feel that that is an upheaval in the child's life that is not appropriate. It could definitely affect also the parent-child relationship. I mean, think about it. You know, all of a sudden your name changes and now instead of being the name that everybody has, all of a sudden you're the wife's maiden name for your last name. Well, you know, that could be a very sore spot for a lot of people. Ultimately, the judge is going to have to decide whether or not that change is in the child's best interest. Now, when the child reaches 18, if the child decides, you know what, I want to be called McGillicuddy, then the child can go to probate court and change their name, just like anybody can. Anybody can do that. But when this person is a minor and the other parent wants to do that name change on behalf of the minor child, the court is going to weigh in on whether or not it's appropriate, whether or not it's in the best interest of the child. And if the court thinks that this is some sort of, you know, way to stick it to the other parent or something like that, you can expect the court to deny your request and say, look, you want to change your name? Go ahead, change your name. The kids, though, kids' names are not changing. And in most situations where the court makes that ruling, you know what happens? The other parent doesn't change their name because they don't want to separate themselves psychologically from the kids. And by sharing the name, they have something in common, and by changing the name, they don't. So a lot of times it works out differently. Every case is different. If you have questions about yours, reach out, and we'll be glad to help you out.
248-588